Cinnamon and cloves are two of the most commonly used spices in cooking and baking. Both are known for their distinct flavors and aromas, but they also offer numerous health benefits when consumed regularly. Cinnamon has been shown to improve digestion and reduce symptoms of digestive disorders such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Cloves contain compounds that help promote healthy gut bacteria and reduce inflammation in the digestive tract. Together, cinnamon and cloves can help improve overall digestive health, reduce bloating, and promote regular bowel movements. Both cinnamon and cloves contain natural compounds that can help boost immune health and fight off infections. Cinnamon contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that help protect the body from damage caused by free radicals and inflammation. Cloves contain eugenol, a natural compound that has been shown to have antimicrobial and antiviral properties. Consuming cinnamon and cloves regularly can help strengthen your immune system and reduce your risk of getting sick. Cinnamon and cloves are also beneficial for oral health.